Today we're installing these DB killers that only fit in the Predator Pro series. One thing you want to keep in mind if you're installing these is the Allen key, which is in here. You use these to tighten that in there to keep it in place. If that's not backed out all the way, it's not going to fit in there. So you're going to have a hard time. So with your 4mm Allen, you want to back it out and make sure that it's flush and that it can fit in there and slides in nice and easy. Once it's in there, tap it around little by little. Get it nice and flush. If you don't have a rubber mallet, a block of wood works just as well. Just put it up against there and use any hammer you got and tap it in that way. And that'll actually help make sure it doesn't go past flush. Tighten that Allen key. You don't want to tighten it so much that you're denting your pipe, but you want to make sure that this is not going to fall out either. Got a lot of pressure behind it. That should be good.